Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I received my second Zalon box, which is a style curator box by Zalando. And it's basically the same procedures everywhere. You fill out a short quiz and then they send you different outfits. But what makes this box a little bit more special is that you actually get to choose your own stylist and you're going to talk to her or him on the telephone about your style. So this is my second box, and as you can see, I received a few different outfits and a pair of shoes. This ballerina flats, which are this rose gold shimmery color, and let's have a quick look at the outfits before I try them on. So first up we have this gray university t-shirt and super soft material. The second is a blouse by Mint and Berry, and I think I actually got this one in white, maybe even in the last box, not sure right now. Then there's this white shirt, which actually is something I wouldn't pick up for myself, but let's see how it looks once I put it on. And then there is this rose gold necklace, and this one looks really cute. Then we have this dress, and I actually received a preview of some of the outfits, and this dress looked really great, so I hope it will also fit and look great once I put it on. Then there is this pinkish skirt, and it's so adorable. Hope it fits as well. Might be a little bit short. And then there's another skirt. Yes, it's another skirt. It's a black dotted skirt and white dots obviously, and a pair of shorts. Are these shorts? No, it's also a skirt and a leather jacket. I'm a little bit disappointed because they sent me a leather jacket in the last one. So, yeah. So this is the first outfit. It's the black floral dress and a necklace, and the dress is actually a little bit small, but the necklace is super adorable. So I guess I'm going to keep this. The second one is the skirt and the t-shirt, and the skirt is super short. A little bit uncomfortable moving in this, but it's so cute, and the shirt is really soft. This is the third outfit, and it's a little bit more business casual. I love that the skirt actually has pockets. It's nice drilling in this. And then there's this last outfit, comes with a leather jacket. Really cute. I don't like the fit of the skirt once I put it on. The jacket is way too hot for summer, and I'm not a fan of this white. Never picked this out for myself, and I don't know. I'm happy with a lot of the outfits, so I'm going to keep some of